Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and today we are going shopping. I haven't been to Home Bargains for quite some time. I've only been the once, and that was over in Swindon near my sister, and I've been really wanting to go back. Really enjoyed the store and I've now got a little bit of a shopping list. So we're heading over to Basingstoke. They've got one there, never been there before, so really intrigued to see what it's like. So I thought I would bring you along with me. And then we're also heading over to Poundland. I have a really big shopping list for Poundland actually. I've got loads of DIY projects planned, and I've got some storage things going on at home as well. We're doing a new coffee area, like display wall at home, and I also want to declutter some of the cupboards, so lots of storage and things like that to buy today. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Please do subscribe if you like this kind of thing, and also obviously with regards to like the DIY projects and storage, decluttering, all that kind of thing, as well as I have lots of that kind of thing going on my channel. So thank you very much and I hope you enjoy. It's a really nice one, it's quite new. What will, oh, Ringos, do you remember Ringos? I bet the kids have never had those. Do you fancy some? What flavour did you used to like? I used to quite like the... I don't know if they've got some. I'm going to go... The cheese and onion ones are nice though. What about Golden Wonder prawn cocktail? Yeah. They're always good. Should we get some of those? With this, look, £5.99 to make your veggies. You can do like courgette spaghetti, that type of thing. That's a really good price. Large bed heads for £6.99. Lots of suntan lotion. Oh, these are really cute. £2.49. Shame that they're only in the 30. I was going to say this is really nice. I've just realised it's a candle. I don't like it now. These are quite sweet though. Yeah. Little 99p. They're glass holders. Just spotted some little neck cushions. There's some Disney princess ones. They're for £2.99. This all looks lovely for the summer. Love these ice cream tubs with spoons for £1.99. They're so cute. Oh, I love these. Tapas, they're ceramic dishes. £2.29, really like those. Oh, and you've got matching plates as well. Really nice things for the summer here. I like the planters.
I'll say that, yeah.
They're really nice actually. Really good prices, £20, that's 25. Yeah, they're £17.99. Really like these. Oh, these are nice as well actually. Look. Polythene lined. Like those. Trellises, £6.99, £7.99. I'm really impressed actually.
Manager announcement, can I come to the tills please?
It's actually a really nice store here. This is nicer than the Swindon one, isn't it? Well, I guess because it's new as well. The aisles all feel really quite wide. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I think I can see Sephora.
Yeah.
£1.99. They're the big ones. A lemon zing.
I saw that, yeah.
Wonder what the summer breeze is like.
Which one's this?
Summer breeze. See what this one's like. Oh, can't open it. No, it's alright, it's a bit alcohol-y.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's these other ones, these cheaper ones as well.
There's this one there.
What's that one?
That's the lemon zing.
Do you reckon it smells lemony?
Possibly, yeah. I hope it'd be nicer one than... Yeah, if
Good job it wasn't glass. Or do you reckon it fizzes?
We'll find out. No.
No, I'm not fussed with that. Pink grapefruit. I like the smell of pink grapefruit. No, I don't like that one. No, I'm going to leave those. No, I'm good, thanks. On my list, this is the one I want. £2.99 for these big candles, and they are so good. Love this one. I've burnt that one down completely. I like these cocktail ones. Look, £2.99. That's a bit sweet. That one's a cocktail. Should we smell that one? Peachy, that one. It's a nice collection here of candles. I think we're just going to take that one. That's cute. There's quite a few wax melts. You've got these little individual ones for 29p. And then you've got these larger ones as well. Different variety. To the home stuff. What have you seen? You do love your containers, don't you?
79p.
79p, is that good for 3?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah? Is it going in the basket? Quite a few cups to choose from. Good old selection there. Oh, you got these ones where you can put your fruit in that inside to infuse the water. Loads of cups and glasses. There's a lovely choice here. Aid's just noticed this, the Pyrex Cook and Store. You've got the little lids on there. $1.59, and then you've got $2.99. Sangria jug, $5.99. Oh, here's more of these, babe. I haven't shown you the tapas stuff. There's these are the Diddy ones, $1.29. There's some really nice ones down the other end. Yeah, really like those. Yeah, that looks really cool. Pancake maker, $5.99. That'd make a really nice gift, actually, wouldn't it? Do we need any more mugs?
Not at the moment.
These are quite Disney-esque, actually, almost Kath Kitson. Like, actually, do you know, even the tag looks a bit Kath Kitson-esque, doesn't it? $1.29. No, not Stormtrooper, babe. Don't you think? Look at the tag.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Very Disney,
Yeah.
Kath Kitson. Really nice little Kilner jars here. Well, we've got mason jars. These little mini Kilner, they're so cute. I love those.
What says underneath?
It's just said they're 59p each. I really like those. Yeah, putting your herbs and spices and that in, that would be really cute. I know it's not Christmas, but I love that. That is so nice. Are they really still $2.49?
Must be.
Oh, I don't want to pay that for them. Have you seen the Jurassic Park? That's so Louis, isn't it?
What's that? Jurassic bloke.
Jurassic bloke. Wedding section here for the weddingy bits. Oh, there's some more of these jars. These are 39p. I like the rose. Oh, you can use these for wedding favours.
I think the ones there were
39p.
proper Kilner,
Yeah.
weren't they?
Oh, these are nice. Look. Some really nice things. See this? I love arrows. You can just paint that and put something else over it. 99p. That's really good, isn't it? Some really nice things here. Storage are really nice. I like those ones with the chalkboard. $2.99. I like those. Quite like the little mini pots here. The little Diddy ones for 89p. Did you used to have beef paste in your sandwiches when you were a kid?
Salmon paste.
Did you? It's disgusting. Seen these other spices at the top, double the size, and they're only 39 and 49p. Oh, and these ones as well, actually. They're really good prices for herbs and spices. These are what we like. They're our favourite snacks. Louis loves Milka and he loves Jaffa cakes. They've got to be a winner.
Raspberry ones there as well.
Raspberry as well, and they've got some chocolate ones. This is all quite pretty. I like the mugs up there. They're embossed. There's a boozy section as well. They got everything in this one. Oh, and wallpaper. Wallpaper one side and booze the other. Aid's found Gatorade for 39p. Is it just the orange flavour? Yeah. There's some little mini Vimtos as well for 25p. They're quite cute. Louis likes Vimto. Oh look, and the Clementina drinks.
Might grab a couple of these.
Oh look, these look nice. Look. This sparkling peach drink, 49p. And now we're going to go on to Poundland. Really excited about this actually. Like I said, I've got a really long list, but I'm actually going to be doing a collaboration with my little brother very soon. He's got a theme park channel, which I will link up. He is my little brother. I'll link up his channel below. He's got a theme park channel, and we're going to be doing a Disney collaboration, a DIY challenge, and we've given ourselves £3 each to spend in Poundland to do something.
Keep left to stay on A339.
Disney. So I'm going to be on the lookout for some Disney bits for something that I can do a DIY with. I have actually got an idea already. Here's my shopping list. Right, we've done Easter, not interested in the Easter stuff. Spotted these ceramic pots. They are ceramic, yeah, £1 obviously.
Design as well.
Oh yeah,
Sure.
yeah, those have got a little bit of a ribby edge.
Yeah.
Oh, they're pretty nice, you can paint them actually. They'd look really nice, wouldn't they? I might try these actually. Look, there's for brunettes, there's for curls. Oh, there's a smoothing shampoo for curls as well, I might try those. And there's brightening shampoo for blondes. No, it's not that one.
Coconut.
Our Diddy sun lotion. The kids could have done with that.
Yeah.
They are really good, actually perfect to put in the kids' school bags. These face masks are supposed to be really good. There's 3 different types. There's the avocado, there's a kale, Okay, good sewing section here actually, I've never noticed. All the gardening stuff's starting to come out now, ready for the summer. These little lanterns look really nice actually, don't they?
We had some of those before.
Yeah, little inflatable drinks holders. Some cute things for ice cubes. Oh, actually, look, these are quite nice. I quite like all this kind of stuff for the garden. These are glass. Well, they feel like they're glass. A lot of different string lights as well, which are quite nice. Little birds. And the little glasses for the garden in the summer. It's just spotted the dolphin clips for your towels when you're on holiday. I like those. They're quite nice actually for tablecloths as well.
Yeah.
On the table.
Well, yes, that was what I thought they were.
Yeah, I like stick bits as well. Oh, that's a nice salad bowl. We need a new sick bowl actually, don't we?
Yes.
That's not bad. Fine little cooler bags.
Yeah.
Containers. Oh, these are nice as well, look. Put your drinks in, pop some ice cubes in. For holidays as well. Kids ponchos. You've got little travel bags to put inside your suitcases. These bottle sets are really handy as well. Really nice actually. These like little slate boards. Got some spray bottles for the garden or for plants. Some really nice things in the garden section here. Getting all ready for the summer. Some more garden bits here. These are sweet. Pop your little tea lights in. This seems to be replacing Zoflora. Let's have a sniff. Right, these are £1 and they're actually larger than Zoflora as well. This is Country Escape. It's alright. Not that fast.
Guess you're just going to look at Cotton Fresh.
Yeah, let's hope.
You're definitely liking the lavender.
No, don't go for lavender. Do not like lavender. Let's hope this one's a good one. Yeah, that one's nice. That's just like the linen fresh one from Zoflora. Baskets are really nice. They're really good for storage. They come in all different colours. Blingy dustpan and brush. Very fancy. These are quite good actually. These little 3-drawer storage units. I like these as well. I've got these in my bathroom. These storage baskets. So I've gone for one of these for a DIY project. I might use more of these storage baskets in the cupboard. I think we're going to pick up some frames. They are 2 packs of 4x6s for £1. There's gold, grey, black and white. We're in the stationery section. We've just picked up some more pens. And I'm just looking in the craft section. Oh, I needed some pom-poms actually. They were on my list. Those are quite nice, aren't they? In the craft section here, I've just grabbed some pom-poms from there. Well, they're nice pens. Those thick and thin double-ended markers. The plastic bowls with the boxes of cereals here for £1. We've had a really good shopping evening. We got some really good bargains. Really, really pleased. Really liked that Home Bargains and we will definitely go to that one. It feels really new inside. Aid's nodding his head. It's really nice lighting, really bright, clean. They had our fish and chips, our little cracker things, and it just feels bright and clean, and I think like the wide aisles and things like that really make a difference. Nice selection of things. What was your favourite buy today?
Fish and chips.
The fish and chips.
39p a bag.
Oh, there's a horse coming up. I think mine was I bought a birdhouse for a DIY that I'm really, really excited about. So like I said, that collaboration is coming up soon with my brother. Please do subscribe if you are new. And I'm going to film the haul. This has ended up being quite a long video, so I'm going to do the haul video next Friday. So please stay tuned for that one. So thank you so much for watching. Just to let you know, on Monday the video will probably be going up a little bit later. I usually post at 8 o'clock in the morning, but I'm going to be doing the video from Anna's PlannerCon, the CAMS PlannerCon this weekend, and I'm going to be posting that video on Monday, so I'll probably end up editing it during the day, as we'll be back late Saturday and it's Easter Sunday then, so it will be up later in the day on Monday. So have a lovely Easter. Tomorrow I've got my Universal video up, so if you like Orlando and theme parks and all things like that, please do watch that video as well. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!